Best Pickleball Paddle. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddle? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Paddletek Bantam TS5 Pro Pickleball Paddle is crafted with the competitive player in mind, offering a well-rounded balance of power, control, and finesse. Known for its light, agile design, the TS5 Pro is especially suited for players who prioritize maneuverability and responsiveness on the court. Despite its lighter weight, it packs enough power for forceful shots, thanks to its cutting-edge materials and construction. Construction and materials. The Bantam TS5 Pro uses a polymer honeycomb core, providing both durability and stability. The honeycomb structure effectively absorbs vibrations, allowing for smoother play and reducing strain on the arm and wrist. This is especially beneficial for players who engage in long matches or have previous injuries. Another standout feature is its textured fiberglass epoxy hybrid surface, designed to enhance ball control and spin. The textured surface grips the ball upon contact, enabling precise, spin-heavy shots that can keep opponents on their toes. This fiberglass epoxy hybrid also adds a degree of power without compromising on control, giving the player confidence in varied shot types. Bantam SRT Core Technology. One of the unique aspects of the TS5 Pro is its Bantam SRT, shock-reducing technology, core. This advanced core material is engineered to balance shock absorption and power, resulting in a paddle that mitigates vibration effectively without sacrificing shot energy. The SRT core aids in reducing fatigue and providing greater control, particularly in high-intensity games where precision is key. Grip and comfort. The paddle features a high-tack performance grip that enhances handling and provides a secure hold, even in sweaty conditions. This grip type is essential for stability during intense exchanges, preventing slips that can compromise shots. The handle is also slightly cushioned to ensure comfort over extended periods, making it an excellent option for players who value a secure, comfortable grip. Performance and playstyle. Ideal for intermediate to advanced players, the TS5 Pro is designed for those looking to improve their performance with a reliable, adaptable paddle. Its lightweight frame allows for quick reactions at the net, while the textured surface and shock-absorbing core aid in controlling drives and dinks alike. Players who rely on quick volleys, strategic placement, and controlled power will likely find the TS5 Pro to be a significant asset. Overall, the Paddletek Bantam TS5 Pro excels in delivering a blend of power, precision, and comfort, making it a great option for serious pickleball players. Its advanced materials and design focus on both performance and comfort, ensuring players can engage in intense gameplay without fatigue or compromised control. Number 2. The Paddletek Phoenix Genesis Pro Pickleball Paddle combines performance-oriented materials with a versatile design suited for a wide range of playing styles. Positioned as a professional paddle, the Phoenix Genesis Pro is crafted for players who seek both power and control. Its 7.8 to 8.2 ounce weight range hits a balanced sweet spot, delivering solid power for drives without sacrificing the agility needed for fast exchanges. Materials and core technology. The paddle's standout feature is its SRT Pro Polycore, shock-reducing technology, which is engineered to absorb impact, reducing vibration while still delivering significant power. This polymer honeycomb core provides a strong foundation that enhances durability and consistency in shot performance. The SRT Pro Polycore's shock absorption capabilities also help reduce hand and arm fatigue, especially beneficial for players during long games or tournaments. Fiberglass epoxy surface. The fiberglass epoxy surface enhances the paddle's versatility, allowing for a well-rounded mix of power and control. The fiberglass material offers enough flexibility to provide an excellent pop when the ball hits the paddle, allowing for more energy transfer on each hit. Additionally, the epoxy component contributes to the paddle's resilience, making it durable and capable of handling the intense demands of regular gameplay. This surface also provides a slight texture, which can enhance ball control and add spin, giving players more options for varied shot styles. High-tack performance grip. The Phoenix Genesis Pro features a high-tack performance grip, designed to ensure comfort and security. This grip type provides a stable, non-slip hold even in challenging, high-energy matches or hot conditions, where moisture could otherwise affect control. The handle's slight cushioning offers comfort without being too bulky, making it ideal for players who prefer a streamlined grip that doesn't interfere with their hold. Performance and suitability. The Phoenix Genesis Pro is a versatile paddle that caters well to both power hitters and players who rely on finesse in ball control. The weight range allows players to choose a paddle that matches their preferred feel on the court, whether leaning towards heavier for power or lighter for quicker maneuvering. With the forgiving nature of the SRT Pro Polycore and the ball responsiveness of the fiberglass epoxy surface, this paddle is effective in delivering power shots, dinks, and spins alike. In summary, the Paddletek Phoenix Genesis Pro is a professional-grade paddle that provides a balance of power, control, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both intermediate and advanced players. Its durable materials, vibration-dampening core, and secure grip make it suitable for high-level competitive play, allowing players to maintain consistent performance without sacrificing comfort or control. Number 3. The T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is designed specifically for professional players who demand top-tier performance and precision in competitive play. Featuring thermoformed unibody construction and a cutting-edge raw carbon fiber surface, this paddle delivers enhanced power, durability, and control, making it ideal for tournament-level players. Its elongated design provides a larger surface area, helping players reach tough shots and maximize their impact on the court. Materials and construction. At the core of the T700 paddle is the 16mm foam-injected CFS, carbon fiber structure, which adds structural integrity and aids in shock absorption. This foam injection not only enhances durability but also contributes to a softer touch, dampening vibrations and providing players with greater comfort. Additionally, the T700's raw carbon fiber surface allows for increased control and responsiveness. Raw carbon fiber is known for its texture and firmness, which helps to grip the ball and generate spin more effectively than traditional materials, giving players greater control over shot placement. Thermoformed unibody design. The paddle's thermoformed unibody construction is another notable feature. This seamless construction method strengthens the paddle by eliminating weak points, particularly where the face meets the handle. As a result, the T700 offers exceptional durability and stability, withstanding the rigors of intense competitive play. The unibody design also contributes to better balance, making the paddle feel more unified and easier to maneuver, which is especially useful for quick reactions and fast exchanges at the net. Grip and comfort. The T700 paddle features a 4.13-inch grip, designed to fit comfortably in the hand while providing a secure hold. This grip size is suitable for most players, striking a balance between control and comfort. The grip's slightly cushioned texture enhances its comfort during prolonged play, and the high-tack material ensures that players maintain a strong hold, even when hands are sweaty. Performance and playstyle. USAPA approved for tournament play, the T700 is well suited for advanced players who value a mix of control and power. Its elongated shape, along with the carbon fiber surface, allows players to execute precise, spin-heavy shots while maintaining power. The combination of foam-injected core and raw carbon fiber surface aids players who rely on controlled shots at the net while still allowing for powerful drives and smashes when needed. In summary, the T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a premium, professional-grade option for serious players. With its robust construction, shock-absorbing core, and high-precision carbon fiber surface, this paddle offers an ideal balance of power, spin, and durability. Its elongated shape, coupled with a well-designed grip and thermoformed unibody, makes it an exceptional choice for advanced players seeking superior performance in competitive settings. Number 4. The Paddletek Bantam ALWC 14.3mm Pickleball Paddle is engineered for players seeking a blend of power, control, and durability in their gameplay. This paddle is crafted from unidirectional carbon fiber, which enhances its strength and performance while keeping the weight manageable. With a thickness of 14.3mm, it strikes a balance between solid feel and responsiveness, making it an excellent choice for players of varying skill levels. Materials and core technology. The core of the Bantam ALWC features a polymer honeycomb construction, known for its lightweight yet sturdy properties. This type of core is designed to absorb vibrations upon impact, resulting in a more comfortable play experience. The polymer honeycomb provides a good mix of power and control, allowing players to execute both strong drives and soft shots with precision. The unidirectional carbon fiber surface further enhances this paddle's performance, allowing for increased ball control and spin, which are crucial for advanced gameplay. Design and comfort. One of the key features of the Bantam ALWC is its well-considered design, which includes a 5.25-inch handle. This handle length caters to players who prefer a more substantial grip, offering better leverage and control during play. The grip is designed to provide comfort, ensuring that players can maintain a strong hold even during extended matches or in humid conditions. This thoughtful ergonomic design helps reduce the risk of slipping, allowing players to focus on their performance. USAPA approval. This paddle is USAPA approved, making it suitable for tournament play. Players can feel confident using the Bantam ALWC in competitive settings, as it meets the stringent standards set for professional equipment. Its approval ensures that players are using a paddle that adheres to regulations regarding size, shape, and materials. Performance and playstyle. The Bantam ALWC is ideal for players who rely on a mix of power and finesse. The polymer honeycomb core facilitates excellent ball feel, enabling players to execute precise shots while maintaining the ability to drive the ball with authority. The carbon fiber surface helps generate spin, making it easier to execute complex shot types, including dinks and topspin strokes. This versatility allows players to adapt their game to different opponents and match situations. In summary, the Paddletek Bantam ALWC 14.3mm pickleball paddle combines innovative materials and thoughtful design to create a high-performance paddle suitable for competitive play. With its unidirectional carbon fiber face, polymer honeycomb core, and comfortable handle, this paddle provides players with the tools they need to elevate their game. Whether in practice or tournament settings, the Bantam ALWC is a reliable choice for players looking to enhance their performance on the court. Number 5. The Enhanced Pickleball SweetSpot Pro paddle is specifically designed for beginners and recreational players looking to improve their skills on the court. With its innovative features, this paddle offers an exceptional balance of power, control, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for those new to the sport. Its unique design and construction set it apart as one of the best paddles for novice players. Materials and construction. The SweetSpot Pro paddle features a carbon fiber face, which enhances its durability and responsiveness. Carbon fiber is known for its lightweight nature and ability to generate power, making it easier for beginners to execute shots without excessive effort. The paddle also incorporates foam-injected edges, which serve to maximize the sweet spot, providing a larger area for effective ball contact. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners, as it allows for a more forgiving experience, reducing the likelihood of mishits and enabling players to focus on developing their skills. SweetSpot technology. One of the standout attributes of the SweetSpot Pro is its emphasis on maximizing the sweet spot. The design optimizes the paddle's surface area, which significantly enhances ball control and feel during play. This larger sweet spot allows players to make solid contact with the ball, resulting in more consistent shots. For those just starting out, this can be a game changer, as it builds confidence and encourages skill development. USAPA approval. The SweetSpot Pro paddle is USAPA approved, ensuring it meets the standards for tournament play. This certification allows beginners to use the paddle in competitive settings, making it a versatile choice as they progress in skill level. Knowing they can rely on a paddle that adheres to official regulations can further motivate players to practice and improve. Performance and playability. Designed for optimal playability, the SweetSpot Pro combines power and control, enabling beginners to develop a well-rounded game. The carbon fiber face enhances responsiveness, allowing for quick reactions and solid shots. Players can expect an excellent balance of power when executing drives and volleys, while still maintaining the finesse needed for dinks and soft shots. This versatility helps players adapt to various playing styles and strategies. Comfort and grip. The paddle is also designed with player comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic grip that ensures a secure hold during gameplay. This grip reduces the chances of slipping, particularly in fast-paced matches, allowing players to maintain control over their shots. In summary, the Enhanced Pickleball SweetSpot Pro paddle stands out as an excellent choice for beginners. With its carbon fiber face, foam-injected edges for maximum sweet spot, and USAPA approval, it offers a combination of power, control, and comfort. This paddle is designed to help new players build confidence and skills, making it a valuable asset for anyone looking to start their pickleball journey.